the channel strategy and the managing market channel. So channel strategy, it's explain the channel strategy involves the manufacturer efforts to collaborate with the channel members to achieve distribution goals. So kanisa, yung saan nila pag-distribute ng product sa communities or services. For example, aning brand kay Kaping Pinoy, na sila direct channel, indirect channel, facility partnership, or online aggregators or delivery apps. For direct channels, on store or online, Kaping Pinoy sells directly to customer. Truth is on coffee location, and they also use their website, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Lazada to sell their coffee beans and merchandise. Then sa ikadua kay indirect channel, retailer or partnership. So sa Nestle partnership, supermarket to convenience store, local seller and distributor. So sa supermarket and convenience store, they distribute coffee beans to major supermarket like SM, supermarket at 7-Eleven. Then sa local reseller or distributor, they partner with sari store, independent seller who buy the blanks and sell their communities. Then sa third is specialty partnership. Kaping Pinoy collaborate with the local restaurants and hotels supplying their coffee as a feature brand. And they also work to cooperate office to provide coffee for employees, sometimes through vending machine or office parting supplies deals. And the last is the online aggregators and delivery apps. They list their coffee on Grab and Foodpanda for instant delivery, and they also join coffee subscribe service, allowing customer to receive the freshly roasted beans monthly. So the managing marketing channel. Channel managers must be decided to closeness of relationship with the members, how to motivate them to align with the distributor goals, and how to marketing mix can enhance the collaboration, showing the efficient chance of performance. So, kaning kwan siya, saan pagdala sa ilang mga trabahante or saan nila pag-teamwork o pag-collaborate sa ilang mga product. So, for example, sa managing marketing channel, we have training and support, promotion strategy, and the monitoring feedback. So sa training and support, they provide the training to reseller and proper coffee storage brewing techniques. And the promotion strategy, they run to social media ads in store promotion to increase demand across channel. And the monitoring feedback, they track sales through digital reports and get customer feedback for their distributor to improve their products. So this is the last part. We have a 3 question. First is how close the relationship should be developed with the channel member.